My name is Eric Wells. I'm a professor of physics and I've been here since 2003. What I think is unique about the physics department here is that we can combine many of the best attributes of a small liberal arts institution with many of the best attributes of a large university setting. Part of our teaching, since we're laboratory science, of course, involves doing physics. And so we have put a lot of effort in the last few years into developing our laboratory. Part of it has been upgrading our equipment and developing new pedagogical experiments that the students get to do as part of their classes. Almost everyone that has studied physics education at the undergraduate level has been unanimous in saying that undergraduate research experiences are a key part of an overall well-rounded undergraduate education in physics. 90–95% of our graduates at some point during their time here had a research experience either with one of us on campus or maybe an internship nearby in Sioux Falls, or sometimes they go away and do REU experience, which is a research experience for undergraduates somewhere else. All of the tenure track members of the department have external funding, and so we can support 10 students in the department doing research every summer. So we really do manage to get all of them a research experience before they graduate. It's not just the personal interaction that makes the teaching strong here. We do pay attention to it seriously and evaluate what we're doing constantly. We look at students' performance and we change how we teach to accommodate the students we have in the class and to make sure that we're reaching them. We've also been recognized by the American Physical Society for an award for improving undergraduate education. And so there aren't many schools in the country that have gotten that award, and we're very proud to have been recognized in that way.
I really like that during lecture we're very interactive. I don't just stand up front and talk. The students ask good questions. We stop and solve problems. If they don't understand something, they ask questions. They talk to each other, trying to explain the concepts to each other. So I really like how engaged the students are.
I really appreciate how present the faculty are in our lectures and the way that we get to interact with them. And office hours are always available, being able to walk in and ask questions about ridiculous things. One of my students who just graduated, somewhere in his freshman year, he asked me why the nameplate on my door didn't say Dr. Drew Alton. And I said that was not the relationship I wanted to have with my students. We choose to be educators because we want to have that impact on the students' lives.
The big difference is the quality of the students. The students here are great.
Having that interaction and asking those questions and being able to not only talk to my professor about them, but also influence how they're teaching the class is something really cool and special, I think, about Augie.